Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in the Cinco de Mayo Tablescape, and it's hosted by If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, which is Kale's channel, and co-hosted by Love is the Main Key, and that is Erica's channel. And I'm going to list both of their channels down below in the description box, along with a playlist, so you can see what everybody's doing for their Cinco de Mayo tablescapes. Now let's get going and I'll show you what I'm doing with mine. To begin with, I used a lot of color because when I think of the Latin heritage, I think of color and their enjoyment and love of color. So that's one of the things that I made sure to add in on my tablescape. Right here, I have this red charger. Now under the red charger, I have this pink lei, and these are all from the Dollar Tree. And under my lei, I actually have one of their coral placemats. Over here for my napkins, I have the Dollar Tree's orange and purple napkin, and then the yellow napkin is actually from Dollar General. I'm just using this aqua blue plate, and then on top of that I put on this green salad plate, and I'm just trying to make it look really bright and pretty, having multicolors. And then I used this bowl that is multicolored. Now my kids made fun of me when I bought this bowl because they thought it looked like the end of the cartoons that they used to watch when they were kids. It said, "That's all, folks," and they had that symbol. They thought that this bowl looked like that, but I love this bowl. I think it's just beautiful. And with this setting here, I used one of the yellow glasses from Dollar Tree. Now on the two settings straight across from each other, I either use the yellow glasses or the blue glasses. Here in the corners where I don't have my table runner going, I use these teal tea lights with little candles in them. I thought those just added a little extra special lighting and color to the other corners of my table where I do not have the table runner going. Now, every one of my place settings, I have something a little bit different. Now, on this particular one, let me zoom in here and I'll show you. I actually have the green placemat under here, and then I'm using the green lei. And then on top of that green lei, I'm putting my place setting. Now, to begin this place setting, I have this teal bowl. And I actually got this teal bowl last year. I'm not sure if they still have that. Then I have this navy blue salad plate and then the red dinner plate. Now my daughter's boyfriend is actually from Mexico. He was born and raised there, and when he was looking at my tablescape, he said the one thing I needed to do was add in more yellow and more red. So I changed it up a little bit. I did have some of their kind of rose copper colored charger plates, and I changed those out for my red ones. And so then I have the red charger with the red plates, and then I added in this navy plate, and then on top of that I added in, like I said before, this teal bowl. Now on this side, I'm using actually the orange lei with the red charger, and then a large teal plate. And then on top of this plate, I'm adding in the green salad plate, and then our bowl like we did before that is multicolored. So this place setting is almost exactly like the one across from it, except instead of using the hot pink lei, I'm using the orange lei on this one. Now on our next one, I change it up a little bit more. But you can see in this corner also I use that teal candle. And then for our centerpiece here, we even added in a little guitar, and I believe this guitar is one that my daughter purchased when she was in Guatemala. She spent a few weeks down there a couple years ago, and that's something she picked up there. Now on this last place setting, I have the green placemat and the green lay like we did on the other side, but here I'm using the red charger with the red plate, and then I'm using the aqua color salad plate, and then on top of the aqua colored salad plate, I'm going to go ahead and add in this orange bowl. So a lot of my place settings have a lot of the same elements, but just arranged in different ways. And just to keep it nice and colorful and bright. And here you can kind of see an overview of all of it. In my centerpiece here, I have an orange and pink lei wrapped around each other. And then I have those put around a pink and yellow vase from the Dollar Tree. And then I just put some of the Dollar Tree flowers inside of it. And then I added in a few of the extra yellow flowers along the bottom. Hopefully you liked the Cinco de Mayo tablescape. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.